Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by monthly tea subscription for May. Get a product card that lists all the teas. I'll try to remember to show that again at the end. But let's see here. Ooh, we got some matcha. And normally when we get loose ones like these, we get 4 of them. But these are different type of packets. So I guess there's only 2. It says there's no sugar added. I do like matcha a lot. I also have made matcha green tea cookies before, and those are really good. So cool. Happy to have that. Tea Hee Hee. That's cute. The early bird. This is a herbal energy blend. So we get 4 of those. They already come in the little tea bag. And then when they don't come in the tea bag, you get some little reusable ones that you can fill with your loose leaf tea. So I really like that, because I don't like using the little metal strainer thingies. I don't like those. This looks really cool. This is Zest tea, spicy masala chai, high caffeine tea. Yum, that just looks fun. So that'll be exciting. Mother's Little Helper, minty, citrusy, and relaxing. This is organic. Tells you the steeping time and information on there. Again, some loose leaf tea. Then we have coupon for Matcha, 25% off code. Also have $10 tea cash. Cool. And a gift card for the wine cellar. So let's take a look here. They do a really good job on their product cards. They give you all the information, steeping time, caffeine levels, lots of really good stuff. So this is my May box. Yours would differ based on your profile and what you filled out, but this is what I got with mine. And if you'd like to join and sign up for a subscription, I have all the information below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.